Tarotist Maggie Norton, and today I'd like to bring you a tarot card of the week. I've already shuffled, so what I drew for us is the Hierophant. The Hierophant is the great master teacher. He is the one that provides us the lessons that we need to change and mold into the life that we really want to create for ourselves. There's times in our lives where we're like, I need to learn something new. The old way is not cutting it, so give me some new information. The Hierophant can show up in the form of a teacher, teachings. At times you might be reading a new book, at times you might be taking a class. There's a lot that the Hierophant offers. He offers you the keys to unlock the doors to the mystery of the self. And these are doors to various levels of consciousness within you. Your superconscious, your conscious, and your subconscious mind. All of these doors become unlocked, okay, with each key. He hands you the keys, the teachings, and you're the one that has to open those doors, to unlock them, open them, walk in them, and discover who you are. So when we're asking ourselves what we want to change in our life and how we want to grow into our life, the Hierophant offers a lot of growth and expansion and change. And so really this week you might find yourself in that role of student. You might find yourself in the role of teacher. Regardless, you have to ask yourself, am I happy with the example I am into the world? If not, let me learn a new way. If I am happy, let me keep expressing who I am, because people will learn from your example. It's not as much as what you say, it's how you're living what you say. And the Hierophant really embodies the teachings to the point where he becomes the master of them. So take a look this week and see what you're drawn to learn, and enjoy the changes that are happening and the growth and the expansion of the week, and step into the role of sharing your wisdom when you have someone asking you what that might be. Enjoy the tarot card of the week. See you next week.